my friends out there. I hope you are all safe and well and not honestly dying from boredom. You know, gotta make light of it. I know a lot of you guys out there are like, I can't be in the house any longer. I get it. I have my moments too. I just thought there is no time like right now where most of the world is wearing just about the same thing. So today I am going to show you what everyone is wearing, from the ridiculous to the realness, to the panic dressers out there. I've just found things that have made me belly laugh. And also there's some more serious things as well. And I want to share them with you. Have you guys heard of the pillow? Well, you know, I'm just gonna show you. The pillow dress. Have you guys seen this? Oh my gosh, it is all over Instagram. And I don't know who started it, but they're so clever and cute. Truly, this confinement has made us repurpose and look at things and create things that create entertainment. And this is truly one of my favorites. I gotta say a few things about the pillow dress. It's definitely not for outside use. It's very hard to put on. You kind of have to put the pillow in your teeth and then like bend over and then wrap the belt around. And kind of a two-person job. It's very revealing in the back. Definitely drafty. If you are worried about looking like you have a pooch, this is not the dress for you. So check out the hashtag pillow dress on Instagram. And you know, while you're there, maybe you want to check out mine as well, at Lindsay Albanese. Obviously there is a shortage of medical grade masks. So if you are not sick or have a compromised immune system or in the medical field, they are suggesting that you just make your own. One face mask that had me rolling is a woman was at the supermarket checkout line and she had a cone party hat on her face. You know, again, I can appreciate the creativity and it sure gave me a laugh. One woman just stuffed her mouth with tissue or paper and she was like, oh. What about your other holes? Like, those are passageways too. Someone's got to tell that woman. Last week, I repurposed shoe bags. You know, the shoe bags you get with designer shoes or regular shoes. And I have so many of them. It was super simple, no sew, DIY. I made one out of a Christian Louboutin shoe bag. And I also made one from a Jimmy Choo shoe bag. Look at this is. I wore this to Home Depot the other day. I don't want to get technical because I am not a medical professional, but I read that you should get a level 10 filter. They come with this wire netting and my husband picked off the netting. So I bought, we will just cut squares and then add it to the inside of the mask to help better protect us. We hope, right? We hope. Nothing is a sure thing. I mean, the winners are the birthday hat on the face and then so a lot of people are doing conference calls and Zoom meetings because, you know, most people are working from home unless you have an essential job. So a lot of people are wearing, you know, the mullet outfit, basically the outfit that I wear when I shoot most of my YouTube videos, you know, business on top, Netflix and chill on the bottom. I'm wearing it right now. And piggybacking off that, I did a poll on Instagram asking all of my audience out there what they are wearing the most of right now. And it was interesting. A lot of people said nothing. Nothing. Pajamas and sweats, loungewear was literally, I mean, hundreds of comments from you guys. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but you should. And I just got these two little coordinate sets from Space, and I love this little gray one. It's this cropped sweater with this cowl kind of turtleneck, and then a skirt, a longer skirt. So, you know, you can still lounge and cozy up in it, so it's still functional like sweats, but you feel a little bit more dressed up. And then I got this other little one. It's pink. I rarely wear pink. Pink's not typically my color unless it's like in a masculine cut like a blazer, but I love this like dusty rose pink, just kind of like an oversized slouchy sweatshirt and these little shorts, which, you know, a little short for me, but good around the house. I have seen so many different things that people are wearing on their bodies. You know, when you buy a comforter and it comes in that little plastic sleeve, there's a photo of this woman at a store. I mean, I just got to show you. I have one. I went into storage and I got mine out. This woman straight up has this thing over her head. Oh my gosh, it's fogging up, so I don't know how functional this is. I mean, I gotta say, that's pretty brilliant, but you know, I think things kind of can come up under. I don't know how, you know, preventative it is, but you know, people are
going for it.
You know, to make light of the situation and how panicked we feel, to literally just be so resourceful. The next thing I saw that I literally belly laughed at was this person at a supermarket wearing head to toe garbage bags wrapped in duct tape. But the outfit literally looked like what Missy Elliott wore in the I Can't Stand the Rain video. Song, it's my window, I can't stand the rain. I can't. I was just like, gosh, so spot on. And then obviously you see people just, you know, wearing head to toe like Darth Vader outfits, just covering themselves in plastic tarps. Gloves, they aren't biodegradable, and it's like we're almost undoing what we've worked towards, like minimizing plastic bottles and bringing our own bags to the grocery store. But now, because of the health crisis, most stores won't let you bring your own bags anymore. So we're like back to using mostly paper, which is good, but I went to a few stores that I won't name that are still doing plastic, and I'm like, no, bad. So that's a little sidebar with the gloves, but I understand right now we need them. And I've seen cute little things on Instagram where people are painting the nails. I've been at stores where I've seen some people have pink ones. I'm like, ooh, that's cute. And you know, you want to ask them where they got them, but then you're like, ooh, social distancing, can't talk to you. Are you guys okay out there? Is everyone well and safe? Like, are you dying from boredom? Did you like this video? I'm trying to switch it up a little here. Please let me know your comments. I love to hear from you, and I really try and answer as many comments as possible because I've shared with you guys, you are an escape for me, and I'm so grateful to have my channel and this platform and this little box that I'm in. So stay safe, be well, and I will see you guys next week.